Okay, guys, so in this final scene, it's our second reality check, and now we need to contrast our second fantasy with this new reality. So, remember, in my last fantasy, Mr. Smart was a sensei in a dojo, and all of his students were super disciplined and did exactly what he said, and the village elders were all really appreciative of him. So, in this reality check, the opposite's going to be the case. People are not going to be appreciative of him, and he's not going to be Mr. Confident Sensei. He's going to be sort of a beleaguered teacher. So, what? I'm supposed to thank you? Asked the boy's mother. She stared suspiciously across the table at Mr. Smart. It's your job to teach my son, and you're not doing your job. Well, ma'am, I tried to ask him. You tried to ask him what? Asked the frustrated mother. I tried to ask him if there was anything he didn't understand. Yeah? And what'd he say? He said all of it. Said the mother. Some teacher. Well, it's usually a bit easier to help someone when they're a little bit more specific in describing which parts are confusing them. You asked him a question and he answered it. It's your job to teach him. And why is he coming home every day with holes in his pants? He says he does that in your class. Well, ma'am, I certainly didn't tell him to poke holes in his pants. He does that when he's nervous. So tell me, Mr. Smart, why is he so nervous in your class? Mr. Smart looked around the emptied out classroom for some sort of answer that he didn't have. I'm not sure. The mother let out a mirthless chuckle. I'm going to be keeping my eye on you, Mr. Smart. Believe that. And with that, the boy's mother picked up her purse and walked out of the classroom, leaving Mr. Smart at his desk, alone with his thoughts.